Molecular genetics is the study of genes at the molecular level, including their structure, function, and regulation. Genetic diseases are caused by mutations or variations in genes that affect their normal function, leading to a range of disorders. There are several types of genetic diseases, including single gene disorders. These are caused by mutations in a single gene and include conditions such as sickle cell anemia, cystic fibrosis, and Huntington's disease. Chromosomal disorders. These are caused by changes in the number or structure of chromosomes, such as Down syndrome. Multifactorial disorders. These are caused by a combination of genetic and environmental factors, such as diabetes and heart disease. Gene therapy is a promising approach for the treatment of genetic diseases. It involves introducing a functional copy of the defective gene into a patient's cells to correct the genetic defect. Gene therapy can be delivered to cells in various ways, including viral vectors, non-viral vectors, and genome editing technologies such as CRISPR-Cas9. Gene therapy has shown promise in treating genetic disorders such as severe combined immunodeficiency, SCID, hemophilia, and spinal muscular atrophy, SMA. However, there are still challenges to overcome, including ensuring the safety and efficacy of gene therapy, optimizing delivery methods, and developing strategies to target specific tissues or cell types. Overall, molecular genetics and gene therapy hold great promise for understanding and treating genetic diseases. Ongoing research in this field is expected to lead to new therapies and improved outcomes for patients with genetic disorders. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel and press to the bell button icon for latest updates. Keep visiting the channel and also share with friends and family.